Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have brought two unique products for you which will make your life very easy whether you are a content creator or a business person, etc. So the products I'm talking about are these two carrying cases, and these are not ordinary cases. These are very special and I will tell you why. But you guys have to watch this video completely so that you can fully benefit from it and know about these products. So let me now take both these bags out of their packages. And you can see that how well they are packed and presented to you. So these are the two carrying cases and their presentation and packaging is very good, and all the credit goes to the DDhifi brand who made these products. So this is our first case, a large size case, and this is a small size case. And they both are very beautiful. This one model number is CZ300 and its price is $56, and its model number is CZ180 and its price is $30. So let's start the review now. First I will review this large size bag and then I will discuss or show you this bag as well or highlight it. So the look wise, the bag is beautiful, and the color that's been put into it is because it's made for rough use and also so that it doesn't get dirty so quickly, and also if it did, it wouldn't be recognizable. So it's a perfect combination for daily drivers and users, and I really like this color because I'm going to use it 24/7. This is a very good color if you are going to use it. Now let's talk about its build quality. So the material which is used is very soft and good. The link is given below, you can read it in detail. It's almost waterproof and is very good in harsh environments as well. That's why I'm saying that it's a perfect choice for every type of user. Let me zoom in more for you so that you can take a closer look of how well this is made and what is the material exactly. Let's zoom in for you. So I hope now you will take a better look. So this is the material exactly, and I really like it. Let's see what's inside. Well, I already know, but this is just for you. So there are two chambers. The main chamber is the lower one, which is here. It's a large size chamber, and the upper chamber is for some small accessories, etc. And all these partition strips you see in the lower chamber are removable, and you can organize it as per your choice or as you wish. For example, here you can make 10 spaces, but I have made only 8 because I find it more usable and easy. You see, so I have made only 8. Otherwise you can adjust these two and then you will have 10 different spaces. So this is a great option for audiophiles and gadget lovers. Let me fill them and then show you later. Now this small carrying case is also very handy, and some may like this one and some may like this one. And you can see it's also following the same pattern, first chamber and then the second chamber, and this is a transition in between. So here you can add some accessories and here as well, and then this is the main chamber. So this one is $30 and this one is $56. Let me zoom in this one for you as well so that you can take a closer look. No one shows you these kind of things, but I am, so that you should know what is the product exactly. You can see how well this is made. The finishing is absolutely top class. You will not find a single bit of thing which is criticizable. So I think they both are very well made, and now I'm going to fill them and then we'll show you how they actually works. So friends, now I have filled it, so now I'm going to show you, and as you can see, and I have also turned the light a little bit dim. So well, I didn't had much things to store in the upper chamber, so I just stored these two things, and you can see that they are very nicely packed in here. And this is a mysterious chamber where I have a lot of things which I will show you one by one, and here we go. So I have kept it very minimum and minimal according to my needs and my choice. So this one is my editing IEMs, and these are my vocal and music earbuds, and these are my two different dongles, and here again another music IEMs. These are my SSDs, my microphone, and my cable for transferring files and also for charging as well. And this one is a DDhifi charger, and it's a quick charger, 33 watt, and it's basically a travel charger. So now I'm going to carry it with me as well, so I will put a link to this product as well. It's very good in my opinion. So you see, so these are some of my products, and that's it. I have done my full presentation. So you can see you can store a lot of things in here according to your own needs. Now I'm going to show you this one, and so here as you can see, in the medium chamber or in the middle chamber I have put one cable and another charging cable for my earbuds, and here are 4 things which I have stored: 2 IEMs, 1 earbud, and 1 DAC amplifier. So you can adjust everything according to your needs, and I couldn't find anything to store in here, and this one is very good. And these were the 2 straps which I couldn't find it useful, so that's why I replaced it. So that's it. I have done my full presentation. So these are the DDhifi products. What do you think, guys? Aren't they amazing? And you can see that they pack very good. The last thing which I want to say is that this case is more premium than this one because it's mainly for your daily use. So that's why, and also it's a very big size and it's very cheap as well, $56. So that's why it is not that premium, but like I already said that it's for your rough use. But this one is very premium. As you can see, it really feels premium, and that's why it's $30 as well. But I liked both these cases. So here ends my quick review. It 100% justifies its price and I recommend it to you all. This is a product you will never be disappointed with. It has made my using experience in tech content creation much easier. Thank you for watching my video. Be in peace. Goodbye.